teacher as a role model, is there any room of the role model teacher there?
Well, let's face it that this ours was perhaps the last generation to have the role models. This new generation has they do not have their role models. Even if they are, they change it every weekend. So, but yes, as a language user, we can set a good example. I think in the morning also we are talking about the somehow to manage that language and also to deal with that language. So when you are dealing with that language nicely, if you are doing this as a say language expert or a facilitator, you are setting an example. And I think this is minimum what we can do to set a good example for them to follow. And if we analyze, all of us have some kind of a traits of our English teachers, though they never taught us how to speak, but it is because they left some mark on us, and ultimately we become the blend of all those role models whom we consciously or unconsciously followed. Now, what we can do as a language teacher is to set at least one good example. And as they put it in say US, that mind your language. So as a teacher, we have to mind our language, because whether we know it or not, no matter how say student centric class we are trying to prove, but still we are into the center, and so is our language. So we have to be very and super conscious with whatever we speak, the words that we choose, and that way we do play an example, if not a role model, for the learners.